Hi Zooshites, I'm Kitty from Zooshii and I'm going to show you how to draw a cartoon Halloween slimy letter B. So first up what we do is we draw a line across our page like that, and then another line down here. Take it a bit longer. And then what we do is we draw a line down the side. I'm just going to make a kind of rectangle. This will be for our uppercase B. Like that, and then we take another line down like that. And then make it about that thick. This will be our lowercase b. Like that. And then we're just going to go in and put in some ovals. Like that. And then we'll do another oval. Just making it about this bit about the same thickness as that bit. So just add another oval there like that. And then we'll go back in to do our uppercase B. And again, we're just looking at that width there, and I just take another line down to make it about the same. And then we draw an oval. Make that slightly wider. Like that. And then just gonna make another oval just to keep that distance again the same, or about the same, like that. And then we go in and put another oval on the top. Just make it slightly smaller than this one. Then again, just looking at that width, we'll just put another little oval in there, just like that. And then we're going to go in and add the slime now. So what we do is we're just going to make really wavy lines coming down the side like this, and then again up, and then down, and then dripping off the bottom. So I'm going to do little drippy marks just like that. Make it really slimy. And then again, just going to come out a little bit there and up and in like that. And then again across the top, just really wavy lines, really smooth waves. And then up, back into the guideline that we've got, like that, and then down. Then on the inside as well, just really wavy, gloopy kind of lines happening there. And then again on this one, really dribbly, like that. Then for our lowercase b, again, just come out, then back in to our guideline, then out, and then just wiggle it all the way down like that. And then at the bottom, just really dribbly lines, and we kind of make dribbly lines by just really curving it out and making a long loop back up to the guide oval like that. Then again at the top we just bump that out, and then again just make some really wavy lines down and back across like that. to join up with that bit there. And then for the center, again, just make it really wavy, like that. Then we're going to add a bit of texture to our slime, and again we just go back in and add some really gloopy, stringy kind of lines by just making them really elongated like that, bringing it up and in. Again here. You can make your lines really random as well, like just, yeah, just make as many as you want in there. Again, down, up like that, and like that, and then another one just down in here, like that. Then for the lowercase b, again, just adding some texture by doing some really long wavy lines like that. And again, just makes it look really slimy and icky. And again here, like that. And then we just grab our black pens and go back in and ink in the pencil lines. And then we just go back in and double up the thickness of the main parts of the illustration to make it look even more cartoony. Then we just wait for the ink to dry. Then we just go back in and rub out the pencil lanes. So there you have it, Halloween slime letter B. Happy drawing!